Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get void salmon in Stardew Valley. Fish at Mystic Lake or the witching hour pools during spooky weather. Use baited trap bobbers and glow rings. Boost fishing with food and buffs. Aim for deep water and long casts. And open any treasure chests you find since they can contain mutations and rare items to help you net a void salmon faster. Pick a top rod and stack items that directly boost your fishing odds, like trap bobbers and glow rings, and eat food that grants fishing and bite rate boosts before you head out. Stay patient and reel with steady rhythm, adapting to the void salmon's erratic movement. Keep a spare set of tackle and bait to sustain long night sessions, and remember deep water and the right weather are your biggest allies. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful tips. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes hands-free cleanup hilarious after long Stardew sessions, and it handles crumbs near your controller. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you buy it, enjoy the tidy desk space. Now let's get back to the video. Focus on locations known for void activity and fish only at night when spawn pools shift toward rare types. Check in-game whether that hints at spooky conditions, and position yourself for long casts into the deepest tiles. Rotate locations if you go long without success. Use bait and glow gear, and take advantage of buffs from food or buffs to stack small increases into a meaningful edge when hunting the void salmon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.